Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Lauren McKinney and I love making YouTube videos about slow fashion, personal style, and capsule wardrobing. In today's video, we are celebrating 7,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I've been waiting to kind of hit this milestone for a while. It seems like between 6 and 7 things were like a little bit slow, which is fine, no big deal. We're all about progress and growth, but I'm just so happy to be at 7,000 subscribers. And the only people I have to thank is you all. Thank you so much, my viewers and subscribers, for subscribing and getting me to this awesome milestone. So to celebrate that 7,000 subscribers today, I am sharing 7,000 looks with you. Just making sure that you were listening. Absolutely not. I think that's impossible. So instead of 7,000 or 700 or 70, I'll be sharing 7 looks that I have been shopping my closet with. What better way to celebrate 7,000 subscribers than to do exactly what prompted me to start this YouTube channel in the first place, which was playing dress up. So I'm so excited to share these 7 looks with you today. Some of them are a little bit experimental and some of them I'm like, oh, I don't know how I feel about that. But I'm sharing them with you for the sake of wardrobe experimentation because we love playing dress up. It gets our creative juices flowing, it helps us to feel refreshed in our wardrobe, and it helps us to see our pieces with new, fresh eyes so that we don't feel like we have to add a bunch of new things to our wardrobes. But before we get started, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would be so great. So let's take it from 7,000 to 8,000. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like shop with me videos or you like seeing these different inspirations on a different size body or with a little bit of personal flair. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you enjoy that. If you haven't started following me on Instagram, I've started uploading a personal style or just kind of fun reel every single week. So definitely go over to my Instagram to follow me. I will put my handle right here on the screen and also put the link to my channel in my bio. I've been having a lot of fun with reels, so yeah, I'm going to keep doing them. So let's get into these 7 looks. Usually I get a lot of my inspiration from Pinterest, and I use that inspiration to shop my closet whenever I make one of these videos. But lately my Pinterest algorithm just has like not been giving me stuff that I like. I don't know what the deal is. I feel like maybe I need to clean out my boards or declutter them or something like that. But anyways, for this video, almost all of the inspiration has been found in fellow creators on Instagram. So as I put the pictures up of the outfit inspiration, their names will be there and I'll probably mention them just in the dialogue too. Just so you know, I get a lot of inspiration from Instagram too, and I'll link these profiles down below if you're interested in following them. So the first look for today is this really fun, kind of academic, kind of 70s preppy look from creator La Julique. And this is a really fun outfit. This is actually in a reel, so there are a series of outfits, but this is the one I wanted to recreate. And so you see in the outfit, she's got these cropped blue jeans, these fun, almost baby doll silhouette with the ankle strap and the platform heel shoe, a grandpa-esque cardigan, and a button down either sweater or cardigan, I think, underneath, something probably thinner, her hair and headband, and these really fun glasses. So in order to recreate this, I had to get creative because I don't have a lot of these pieces. So I decided to go for like style essence over than matching exact pieces. And that's a useful thing about playing dress up is like you don't have to have the exact pieces. You can use what you have and style old things in new ways. So that's really fun. So for my jeans, I went with my Levi's ribcage jean. These aren't cropped. I don't have a pair of cropped jeans right now, but I felt like they would suit this outfit well because they're kind of the same shade of blue. And then for shoes, I've gone with that same kind of ankle strap idea, but with a platform clog. So leaning a little bit more 70s with the clog going on, but I feel like it's really great. And then for the top, I've gone for a classic button down, although mine has these fun puff sleeves and then a Peter Pan collar. And because I don't have a patterned cardigan, I wanted to get that same kind of academic pattern going on. Now this, the one that she is wearing, is an Argyle sweater. but I don't have anything in Argyle, so I decided to go with something in buffalo check. So I went for my blue check sweater, which I think gets across the same vibe. It's very kind of grandpa-y, really vintage sensibility. I skipped the sunglasses because I'm inside, and then for the hair, I actually did a very similar thing and tied a silk scarf around my head. And I think the overall essence of the look is really fun. It's slightly different than the original, but that's the goal. We don't need to copy paste. We just want to be inspired and learn how to put new things together. The next outfit is from this wonderful creator who I've been following for the past few months, and her name is Joan, and her profile is just so simple and neutral. You can tell that there are a lot of natural fabrics, just really cozy outfits, and I love that. That is so what I've been going for lately since I've started working from home. So I decided to recreate this look pretty to the T because I had a lot of these similar pieces. So we've gone for like a really flowy pair of green pants, and then for the top, because I didn't have a cable knit sweater that had like the higher neckline, I went for my cable knit cardigan layered on top of a turtleneck. So I get that high neckline silhouette, but I still get the chunkiness and the texture of the cardigan. And then instead of going for a pair of mules, I've decided to go for a pair of boots, which would give me just a little bit of length and height because these pants are so overwhelming on my silhouette a little bit. They're super flowy. So I wanted to give myself some more height, lift myself off the ground to give some more space there. And then also the pointed toe helps to extend that like line from my waist down to my toe, which also helps balance out the look. And in all, this is a super cozy, comfortable look, and I really enjoy it. The next look took a little bit for me to get used to. I don't know. I don't love the way that it turned out on me, even though I really love the way that it looks in the photo, but that's kind of like our relationship with like the internet and real life. Like, internet is not real life. So this photo is gorgeous, but I'm not sure that I'll be wearing this outfit out. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous profile, but this is a really beautiful photo and a really beautifully captured outfit. And so I've started with a floral dress, same as in the photo, gone for a pair of boots, and then this is where things start to get a little bit, I don't know, iffy for me. So if I'd had a trench style coat, maybe putting that on would have looked really good. But I tried on my kind of next best thing, which was a parka style coat, and I didn't love the way that that looked. And then I decided to go for my camel blazer. And so I kind of liked the way that it looked with the camel blazer and the boots, but then I said, well, in the photo, there's a hat and I wanted to reflect that too. But then I put my hat on and it's probably a slightly different one, and I didn't love the way that it turned out. But here it is for the sake of transparency. It's all right. Not my favorite on me, but super beautiful on her. The next look is inspired by this photo that I found on Pinterest. I don't know who the creator is, but this is a really fun photo, and it's actually not even a photo of a full outfit. It's just a little snapshot, and so the rest you kind of have to guess and figure out what you want to pair it with. And I feel like that was really fun, and that's actually the outfit that I'm wearing in today's video is kind of a variation on this, but in this look I think we have some really careful layering going on. The silk scarf is layered underneath the button down, and then the button down is layered underneath the jacket, or the blazer I should say. And so it creates this really nice texture with the wool of the blazer, the cotton poplin of the shirt, and then the silk, the beautiful silk sheen and just luxe nature of the silk scarf all mixed together so beautifully. So for this, because I have a lot of really formal textures and fabrics going on top, I decided to pair it with a pair of jeans and a pair of loafers to make it a little bit casual. And just because I wanted to try something new, I decided to actually put my glasses on for this outfit, which was a lot of fun. And I've been trying to figure out how to style my glasses more often because it's a fun accessory that we don't usually think about. I'm always wearing my contacts and I'm like, oh, I should try to style my glasses more often. The next look is from a creator that I have followed for a really long time, since before I even started my capsuling journey, Audrey Coyne. And this is a look from her Instagram page, and it's this beautiful monochrome look, very low contrast, but really interesting because there are a lot of textures going on. And I decided to go for this similar kind of look because when I saw it, I said, oh, I have my camel blazer, maybe I can make this work. And so I went for my white denim, my Cezanne silk top that has this beautiful ruffle collar, just like she has in the photo, and then I went for my camel blazer. And I really loved the way this was looking until I added the dark boots, and I didn't love how the dark boots were playing with the rest of the outfit. I felt like it was really high contrast at the bottom of my body, but then low contrast at the top of my body, and I just didn't know how I felt about that. So I decided to go for something a little bit different. Rather than switching out the shoe, I kept the boot because I really liked the way that these boots were layering with the white pants, and so I decided to match the level of contrast. Super dark, so high contrast on the bottom between the white and the brown, and I decided to switch out the blazer for my blue chore jacket. When I did that, I felt like it worked out really, really well. And so matching like the level of contrast on the bottom of your body and on the top of your body, I think is a nice way to just create a pattern or create symmetry in your look that helps to balance the whole thing out. And I really also loved that it upped the comfort level, because blazers are great and I think they're really beautiful, but this jacket is definitely way more comfortable, so I like that. I even experimented with adding a little bit of a Western flair by adding this belt that has this like gorgeous belt buckle on it, but I like it both ways. I like it both with the belt and without the belt, so yeah. Next look is from creator A Reason to Get Dressed, and I just love the name of that profile because it's true. Life is itself a reason to get dressed and dress up and try new things. And so the thing that drew me to this look was these gorgeous blue corduroys. And I thought to myself, I have blue corduroys. I should try to make this outfit work. I love the layering that's going on and the really chunky shoe, but I knew that wasn't going to be a possibility for me because my corduroys are wide leg. So I took it in a little bit of a different direction. I matched the fabrics that were going on, so I chose a button-down shirt, the one that I'm wearing right now, with a Peter Pan collar and the puff sleeves, which I think adds personal flair and style to any outfit that I pair it with my blue corduroys. So that laid a good foundation. Then I wanted to create some space between my pants and the ground to kind of get that like high leg look that is in this photo. And I don't know exactly that I achieved that, but I still like the way that these boots look with these pants. And then lastly, I was really missing the hardware that comes from the chunky shoe in the original photo. So I decided to go with that big belt buckle right in the middle. And even though the look kind of is a different vibe than the original one, I feel like it's still a very feasible look that is well balanced because we have different textures, and then we have like different weights, really light things with really heavy things, and they just contrast and balance each other out nicely. And then the last one is from creator Style Idealist. I really enjoy her profile, and this is actually not from a post, this is from a reel that she made. And so this is just looks like a really comfy but still casual and chic outfit that I think is really, really great. So she has got a pair of black bottoms on, and then a camel sweater, and then a camel coat, and then a beautiful, beautiful pink scarf. And when I saw this, I was a little bit intimidated because I wasn't sure how I could make that work. I don't really have a scarf, like a wool scarf in a standout color, but I decided that I would give it a shot. So I went with a similar silhouette of trousers, which were my corduroy trousers, and then for the bottom, I really liked the relationship between her sweater and her camel coat being the same color. And so I wanted to choose two things that could really kind of blend into each other and combine. And so I went for a black turtleneck paired with my black watch blazer. This was a nice way to add a little bit of pattern to the look, but still keep it pretty low key and really kind of neutral and almost formal in nature because the colors are so dark. Then for the scarf, because this is the only cold weather scarf that I have, I went with my gray scarf, and on my feet I went with my Adidas sneakers, which I love adding sneakers to wide leg pant silhouettes. I think that's so fun, but I also love adding them to outfits that could lean a little bit more formal. It just kind of grounds everything and brings everything back down to earth and back to this kind of and back to a more casual place, which is really my vibe. I also experimented with adding a hat to this look, adding my Baker Boy cap, and I think that was fun. It may have been a little bit too much, but it still adds like a nice personal flair that I wouldn't have seen anywhere else. So I thought that was kind of cool. So those are the 7 looks for today. I hope that you've enjoyed them. It's fun to just get your clothes out and play dress up and be inspired by the things that you find on social media or on the internet or on YouTube. So I hope that this inspired you to get out some of your favorite pieces and play dress up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram if you like to see entertaining reels. I have a lot of fun creating those. And of course, like always, it's such an honor to spend this time with you. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!